Hello guys, so welcome to the Four Seasons in Sweden. Good morning or good afternoon. And today we're going to go to the forest. I'm expecting to find some funnel chanterelle mushroom because this is the month of September and this is the month of funnel chanterelle mushroom. So let's go guys, and I hope you follow me until the end. Thank you so much. And now guys, we are in the forest and we are going to start to pick some funnel chanterelle mushrooms, and this is the right time to pick them because it is in the medium size, and it is really good to make some soup, and also what to cook some your favorite dish. So I hope you also enjoy watching while I'm picking our beautiful funnel chanterelle mushrooms. And I think we have got enough funnel chanterelle mushroom, and I am ready to going home to show you guys how I cook these funnel chanterelle mushrooms. And let's go, and I hope you follow me until the end. Now guys, we're going to cook our funnel chanterelle mushrooms, and I already divide it into half. They said that we need to do it because sometimes when they have slug or some kind of worms, sometimes they're inside the funnel chanterelle mushroom. I think they call it funnel. And then I'm going to rinse it with only faster. We don't need to wash it very well because it will be absorb a lot of water inside, and it's not easy to cook. You will need to wait for a long time to make it dry. With I'm going to show you so you understand. I mean, so I'm just only for rinsing, so you can it will be cleaner, take out some soil on it when we pick up, so when we pick it in the forest. So something like that, when it's enough, so we just rinse like that, and we let the water coming out, or drain it very well. Our frying pan, gonna put it in number 5 for a moment, and when the frying pan is hot, we're going to add this funnel chanterelle mushrooms. I think now it's not warm, so I'm going to add this funnel chanterelle mushroom for cooking. We don't need to add anything else for a moment until it's dry, or the liquid is coming up by itself. It's the funnel chanterelle mushroom have a lot of water in it. So as you can see, it already have when it is dry enough, we need to put it in the medium heat when we cook the mushroom. As you can see, the color is brown, the water. So I'm going to show you guys later when it's dry. And now the water is gone. It's almost dry. And what we have to do is we're going to add the butter, and also we can add our favorite spices, or like a pepper only, and salt. I'm going to add butter about like this, like 1 tablespoon maybe. Like not enough butter for our funnel chanterelle mushroom. And then it's look like this. It look creamy. And we just add you can just add salt and pepper, that's only. Now it's almost done. We're going to wait for 5 minutes more. And now guys, it's ready to eat our funnel chanterelle mushroom, and I love to eat with the rice and some tomatoes. So I hope you learned something from this vlog guys, and thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe for more. And before I forget, my name is Emmeline Steen, and this is my nature in Sweden. Thank you so much.